Hello, Captain Mumu here, and today I'm coming for a retest of this after it just works before my swimming lesson. Yes, it's working. Wow, it's actually working. Here it is. Cibes. No, Dad is still not there. There we go. That light's trying to switch on.
See what there?
But it can't.
Okay, come on.
Please don't get... I really don't want to get stuck in this. Epic motor. Wow. Okay, we can stop it now. Anyway, I found an Otis Evonic 401. I think this is hydraulic. Here it is. A great stay on so many levels. It's only got 3 levels. Yep, Otis. 8 people can fit in this. It's quite small. Here we go. There's a nice panel. And there's the LED indicator. It's a very good lift, this. Never expected to find an Otis Evonic 401 here. They're quite rare around this country. But as you can see, it does look pretty cool and original from out there. I think there's like 1970s or something. Ah, nice. Illuminated lift button. Come on. None of the button lights work, apart from this top one. It goes quite fast though, so here we are at one. Let's see if the core button light works on this one. The button's quite sticky on this one. And I think the light is red. It's quite loud from out there. It's been cooled down or up. That's actually red, it isn't that whitish colour. But yeah, this is quite a cool Otis Evonic 401. Here it is. Now we'll go back up to 2 and then stop the video there. These are really nice buttons. These buttons, none of them work, which is annoying. Anyway, that has been Captain Mumu recording this Otis Evonic 401. I'm not sure if it is an Otis Evonic 401 actually, but it certainly has the fixtures. There he goes back down, and let's see the call button. Yep, it's a nice yellowish creamy colour. It's not actually that really white bright. It's just low camera quality. Anyway, that's been Captain Mumu recording this epic Otis Evonic 401 or the 1990s Otis lift. So, bye.